Hi, everyone. You've heard me say before that I'm a big fan of Mo Willems and these Elephant and Piggie books. I think they're so funny, and often they have a really nice message. So today I'm going to read There's a Bird on Your Head. You can see on the cover here. There is a bird on the elephant's head. Here comes the bird flying in. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Gerald runs to try and get the bird off his head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Oh, now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They're lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? Well, they're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Piggie seems to think this is sweet. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? You can see Piggie's looking, oh dear. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want to have 3 eggs on my head. Well, then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs are hatching on my head? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Oh, Piggie's so touched that she's crying a little bit. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Wow, Piggie got turned over by that yell. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Yeah, ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem, said the bird. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Look where the birds ended up, everybody. The end. I love Gerald and Piggie stories. They always have a happy ending. Happy for Gerald, anyhow. I'm not sure Piggie was happy with the ending. Hope you enjoyed that story. See you again soon.